Hello and welcome to English Lessons 101. I'm your teacher Victor. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the expression top dog. The expression coming up. Top dog is an informal expression used to describe a successful person or organization in their field. Let's look at some examples. He worked very hard and now he's the top dog at his company. The champion is no longer the top dog. The challenger knocked him out cold. Question of the day. Are you the top dog in your industry, in your group, in your class? Let us know in the comment section below. Remember to support English Lessons 101 by liking, sharing, and subscribing. This is your teacher Victor. Catch you later. Bye.